Journey down memory lane, understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a beautiful and nostalgic phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere: memory lane journey. We'll delve into its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your everyday English conversations. This phrase holds a special place in the English language, evoking emotions and memories. So, if you're ready, let's take our own journey down memory lane and discover the essence of this phrase. The phrase, memory lane journey, refers to a trip or experience where one reminisces about the past. Memory lane itself is a metaphorical path or road that represents the journey through one's memories, especially the happy and nostalgic ones. When someone takes a journey down memory lane, they are essentially going back in time in their mind, recalling and reliving past experiences, moments, and emotions. This phrase is often used to express sentimentality and fondness for the past. To understand how to use this phrase in conversation or writing, let's look at a few examples. Reflecting on childhood, looking through these old photo albums really takes me on a memory lane journey to my childhood days. Reunions, our high school reunion felt like a memory lane journey, reminiscing about the fun we had. Nostalgic conversations. Whenever I catch up with old friends, we inevitably go on a memory lane journey, laughing about our past adventures. 1. Emotional context. Use this phrase when you want to evoke a sense of nostalgia or sentimentality. 2. Storytelling. It's perfect for storytelling, especially when sharing personal experiences from the past. 3. Cultural references. This phrase can also be used when discussing historical events, classic movies, songs, or any cultural elements that bring back memories. That's our journey down memory lane for today. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, memory lane journey, effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's also about the emotions and experiences we share through words. So, don't hesitate to take your listeners or readers on a nostalgic journey through your memories. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to our next English adventure together.